Welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how to create values for a value set in Oracle Fusion. First, we will take department value set. Let's say I have two departments, finance department and HR department. And here, two levels of MIS reporting happening at finance department level and human resource department level. If finance department head wants to run a report, he will run at finance department level, and if human resource department level, the head, if he wants to know how his department is performing, then he will run the report at human resource department level. Here we are going to set the parent and child relationship. All the departments, payment, collections, treasury, and payroll, are under the parent called finance department, and admin, recruitment team, learning and development team are under the parent called human resource department. When we run the report at group level, it fetches all the departments data. So when you define a relationship for parent and child, it is going to fetch the data at all levels. Now go to the task called click on your username, click on setup and maintenance. Now search for the task called manage chart of accounts and set values. Click on this task. Now search for your value set xx underscore ERPZEN, hit search. And now in department, select your value set, department value set, and click on manage values. Now hit create. Now I will take 1000 finance department. Since it is a parent value, the summary should be yes. Now we'll define 1001 payment. Since it is a child value, the summary is set as no. 1002 collections or revenue. Since it is a child value, the summary is set as no. Now we'll create one more child value under finance department. 1003 treasury. Since it is a child value, the summary is set as no. Now 004 payroll. Since it is a child value, the summary is set as no. Now let us create one more value, one more parent value. 2000 human resource department. Human resource department. Now since it is a parent value, the summary should be set as yes. Under human resource department, I have three cost centers. 20001, 2001, sorry, admin department. Since it is a child value, the summary should be set as no. 2002, recruitment team. Since it is a child value, the summary should be set as no. Let's create one more value, 2003, learning and development. Since it is a child value, the summary should be set as no. And that's it. Let's say save and close, save, save and close, hit home. And that's it. You have just learned how to manage values in Oracle in value sets in Oracle Fusion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.